he creates something that almost defies belief. In his head, a plan of mathematical perfection. His only tools are his fins. He ploughs the sand, breaking it up into the finest of particles. He uses them to decorate the bridges of his construction. He can't rest for more than a moment. A final tidy-up, and his masterpiece is complete. If this doesn't get him noticed, nothing will. By the next morning, all the softest sand is now in the middle. The center of the arena has been flattened. Now it's ready for inspection. A female, swollen with eggs. This is what she wanted. It's a perfect bed for her eggs. The male now grasps her cheek and then fertilizes her minuscule eggs. And with a quick flick of his fins, he buries them. An hour of his rough affection leaves a love bite on her cheek. Finally, she leaves. He stays to fan the eggs until they hatch, while his extraordinary work of art fades away around him.